Hello and welcome to m200 Statistics here at Cañada College. My name is Lapuz and I am the instructor for the course. This video is a quick overview of our Canvas home site. In our home page, we will see some recent announcements up on top. We'll have our title of the course and some information about what's coming up, some other announcements, and some advice from students. So there could be more stuff that would populate this page, but for now, this is what we have. Keep an eye out on things that are changing, such as the messages that pop up, etc. The next link we are going to visit are the announcements. So these are announcements that will be sent to you in your actual email. If you don't have that set up, you can find some information about going into your account settings and make sure that you're receiving your announcements through your email. Otherwise, you can just check the announcements here. You can also go to the home page, and the previous two announcements will be posted on top. Anything more than that, beyond the last two announcements, will be posted in the announcements page. The next is our My Lab and Mastering, which when you first click on it, you will not see very much because you are not linked in yet to your textbook. To do that, what you need to do is go to your modules link and select this red shelf ebooks. So when you click on it, it'll send you to the bookstore. Now, with me as an instructor trying to do that, I am unable to get through, but you should be able to get to the Cañada College bookstore and link your Canvas page with the particular textbook that we will be using. Our next step is the syllabus page. Here you can download a copy of the syllabus as well as the semester-long schedule. I highly recommend that you download the schedule so you can have a hard copy of what will be due and when. There's also some information here about some highlights from the syllabus, and down below you can see the upcoming assignments. You also have a calendar on the side here where the shaded days are the days where there are some activities that need to be handled. The next navigation link is the assignments page, and this page shows the assignments according to the dates, or you can also sort this according to the types. So we have general assignments for exams, homework, and you can collapse this so you don't have to scroll all the way down to see the other types of assignments that we have. I want to highlight the idea that there are journal assignments in this class. The journal assignments can look like a discussion board, an assignment where you have to submit something, or this symbol here shows that this is going to be a quiz of some sort. I want to also discuss the idea of the Proctorio check, where you're going to practice using Proctorio in this low stakes environment with the journal assignment before you actually take the Proctorio portion of an exam. The next navigation is the grades page, and this will show you your grades as they get populated throughout the course. And then the final link is the discussion, and the discussion leads you to a discussion board where you can ask questions, or we can initiate a discussion among your classmates or in these cases, these are part of the journal assignments. So you can get to these journal assignments via this discussion board, or better yet, go to the journal assignments via the assignments page, or even the home page. Where you have links to the assignments that you're going to. So that's general layout of our Canvas site. I hope that is useful and helpful for you. And that's it. Good luck with the course.